of the racist spirit. When I come between these doors here at City Hall, I feel so much hatred in this chamber. I want to share something with you. I saw a pale horse, and his rider was blind, death followed close behind. Our leaders in the city are the ones who need to wake up, because the leaders is blind. And if the blind leading the blind, this whole city gonna wind up in the ditch. You wonder why Austin, Texas is so divided along a racial line? Because our political leaders divided. You close the chapter to one police officer involved shooting of the Sanders, and you open up another chapter in the Carters involved shooting. That night, on May 30th, 2011, Mr. Carter and his friend came down to have a good time on 6th Street. On his way home, he made a phone call, we got the reps right here, to let his grandmother know that he was on his way home. He never made it there because of the action of the police officer. The coroner's officer ruled Byron Carter death as multiple gunshots, which results in homicide. That's cold-blooded murder. The grand jury decided not to indict the driver that night of the vehicle. A no indictment means that he did nothing wrong. If the driver did nothing wrong, surely Mr. Carter did nothing wrong. This is not going away until justice is served. Now you as our politicians, our political leaders, you got to start responding to the critical needs of the people. Otherwise, we wasting your time and you wasting our time. We're not here just for a personal gain. We're here for the best interest of the people. This family deserves answers. This family deserves justice. This is going to be around for a long time until this family gets justice. The officer that night, that whole situation could have been avoided. But from his point of view, he followed them because he was suspicious of them. They was staking out. He didn't see them doing nothing wrong. At that point, when he said commit no crime, he should have left them alone. If he had left them alone, instead of doing a profiling, he'd have been alive right today. And we wouldn't be here right this minute. Now, as you as our political leader, I know you can't get into the whole detail of it because it's on a criminal investigation still. But we're going to hold you as accountable, to hold the police department accountable. Before the investigation is completed, they get support. The police come out, the APD come out, and they support this officer. Before the investigation is completed, at least give the respect to the community to hold a fair investigation. We're going to be here until justice is served for this family. Byron Carter should be alive today, but he's not because of the action of the police officer. This continue to go on, these actions continue to go on in our community. A lot of it that you might not hear about, the profile, the hatred, the racism, all this stuff going on in our community. You don't want to talk about it because you're almost in denial. It's okay with that, but I'm going to stand on truth. I'm not here to make friends nor make enemies with you, but I'm here for the best interest of the people. Now we can come together and work together and solve the issue of what's going on in our community and get justice for this family. Or we're going to have to do what we got to do. I want to wish y'all the best. Thank you very much.
Yeah.